How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on a device. Log in and sign in to your particular account. Select three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile or your username at top to access your profile. You can see dashboard button. Simply to turn off professional mode, tap three dots next to advertise button. Tap turn off professional mode from this profile settings section. Now tap continue button. Now again tap turn off. You have to simply go through the changes. After this, professional mode has been turned off and tap close button. When you come back to your profile feed and refresh the feed or profile page, you will see that there is no see dashboard button. That means we have successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.